whole thing. Ooh, I love it.
Oh my God.
I love it.
Oh my
Yeah.
God. That thing is just sick.
What's going on, you guys? Alex here with Elevation Off Grid. Welcome back to the channel. We have a very special truck to show you guys today. This is a 2024 Limitless F-550 with our brand new dually wheels on there. This is a 20-inch wheel, replaces the 19.5s on the dually configured trucks from Ford. These wheels maintain factory GVWR, factory track width. They give you a 4,000 pound load rating and way more tire selection with way more traction options aside from the 19.5s. Let's check out some of the build process and client coming to pick up his truck for the first time.
The logo should be on the, like,
I like it so
bigger.
far.
That's pretty cool. So we've never pulled one off before, so this will be interesting. Yeah.
Oh,
Look at
that thing's huge. It's like a, oh my, yeah, wow.
Of course.
Yeah, of course we do. Yeah,
Of course,
we
yeah.
do.
Alex will
Wow.
hook you up with all of it. So.
Nice.
The guys worked really hard on this last night. They were here for hours and hours and hours. So, team, maybe
Jeremy,
we should
I
get them
met
all
you
here.
at the Bend. Nice to see you again. Yes, my wife Rhonda.
Nice to see you again.
We've been waiting for this for a long time.
A long time.
It's going to be awesome.
How late were you guys here last night? 2. Lulu's coming out. Lulu, this is Jim
Hi,
and
Lulu.
Rhonda.
I'm Jim. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
That's Walter, who you can hear in the
Yeah, I've
Yeah,
met
here comes
Walter.
Walter. This is
Wow, big crew working on all
this
this.
is Lulu's husband Pete right here. Yeah.
Jim, nice to meet you. Pete,
And check
nice to
out
meet
this
you,
fun
Pete.
fact. They've been married 27 years today.
Wow, congratulations.
So congratulations, guys.
Yeah, awesome, awesome. I knew it was going to be a big show.
Yeah, we got to get the lights on.
Oh
and
boy.
the whole thing. Ooh, I love it.
Oh my God.
I love it.
Oh my.
Yeah.
That thing is just sick. Wow. Jeez.
Right?
Those wheels, tires, game changer.
Told you.
Game changer.
You almost didn't do it.
I know I almost didn't do it.
He was blaming it on you.
Yeah, I was blaming it on Rhonda, but I'm so
No,
glad
it
we
was
got
like-
the snow tires.
It's like, I don't know.
Yeah.
I think I need to pay for it all at once, because if I don't, Rhonda won't, maybe won't want me to do it.
No, she would have never have let
This
me
truck
do
looks
it.
so much better with these wheels and tires. Like, it's perfect.
Wow.
Oh, yeah? Slid it and hit it from you, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Unbelievable.
So you like it?
It's amazing. It's so over the top. So above and beyond expectations. I mean, jeez.
Love to hear that.
So is that
That's great.
stock height? There?
Yeah, right
Yeah.
now it's at normal ride height.
Wow.
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah.
I know. It's like a
Still
little.
have 4 inches of adjustment up and down from here too.
It's
Yeah.
a little bit less than that on the standard height
Yeah.
build, so you're about
But-
3.25 to 3.5, depending on
That
up
thing
or down.
is absolutely
Oh, it's actually in low right now, guys.
incredible.
Oh, it
We got
is?
4 inches up or 3 inches uphill.
Oh, okay. We're in
okay.
low right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
But this thing is absolutely incredible.
Maybe we should put it in normal so you can see it in normal.
I hope you guys
me
are going
do
to
that.
put it on your webpage because for the dually, this thing with those wheels and tires,
Been drooling over this all morning. Everybody who came in.
we got so lucky finding you guys. Thinking back in July when I reserved this because 350 I had ordered, I canceled. 450 I had ordered because I had all this time to do all this research.
Hey, Sergio.
And I said 550
Do you have his key?
because we have the big host. Amazing.
Platform you can put the host on.
Amazing.
Thanks for letting us
Thank
build
you.
a truck for you. Thank
Well,
you. Yeah.
Thanks for everything.
Yeah.
Boy, that thing is just,
Sergio's putting it in the normal ride height now.
okay. Still can't get over it. So everything like the tailgate will come off just like a
Yep.
450.
Yep, it'll come off just like your 450. You'll be able to plug right into it.
Okay.
We did do your,
Yep.
so you got the proper hitch on there.
Yep.
The extension is in the back seat.
Okay.
The camper tie downs are in the back seat. We'll talk about those today.
Okay.
But as it relates to everything that we thought we were going to do to this truck, we did.
But wow. So when did you guys get the tires eventually?
Oh, the tires? Well, let's see here. So Alex worked on that yesterday. Maybe Alex can tell you his story because he
Sorry, such a
feels
pain
to
in
me
the
like
ass.
it was a little bit of a
no, no.
circus for Alex yesterday.
Honestly,
Alex's
but-
job
yeah.
is not to go for wheels and tires. That is
Hey,
not
we
really.
all
appreciate
wear-
going
we all
next-
wear many hats around
Yeah,
here.
I appreciate going the extra mile.
Yeah. We were lucky to find him. I mean, it worked out really good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good to
This
go.
thing is just incredible.
Yeah.
Incredible.
What's your game plan with the front hitch? Let's talk about that real quick.
What's
I
that?
can't remember what your game plan with the front hitch is.
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet. It's there.
Yeah.
Let's be careful with weight. I'll make sure I'll spend.
Oh, it won't be much. You know, bikes maybe every once in a while
cool,
if I need
perfect.
it.
No problem. No,
Yeah, I don't-
it depends on how you cantilever it out.
Yeah.
So we're going to want to be between like 250 and 280. You're going to be fine with bikes. No problem.
We
at
have
all.
our mobile motorhome. We had one on there, and occasionally we put the bikes up front.
Okay.
It just depends on how we're traveling because we have an old Honda Element that we tow. I'm
It
so
took a
happy
little
for
while.
you guys who are building these trucks because, especially for our purpose, you know, when you're carrying a big camper like we were carrying,
perfect.
you can't do anything less.
Yeah.
Especially for a host. I mean, I think the 550
Yeah.
500 is really the only
We had a
Yeah.
demo unit all summer that they gave us. Yeah. So we did a lot of marketing content with it. Yeah.
Did you see what Jim did to ours?
No, what did you end up doing with your host?
Host.
Oh, he's been tinkering all winter.
Oh, he is.
Yeah.
Well, the first thing I did was delete the stripes.
Oh, nice.
I just can't do that.
Yeah.
All right.
Yep. Should
So
be provision
shiny.
for it. Yep.
It's going to get pretty dirty by the time we get it home.
Shiny and cleaned up here. So, gooseneck prep. I believe we
Yep.
did gooseneck prep. Yes. Yes.
I
You're
did
all
that
provisioned.
I did that just because you never know.
I think on a truck like this, if you don't have gooseneck prep, you're crazy. If you ever
Yeah.
go to sell this, someone's
know.
going to want to pull a gooseneck
Yeah.
trailer.
Yeah.
And the only way that somebody can get gooseneck on a truck like this is to call us. So there's no other option.
Option because of the suspension
Yep.
modifications. So my other option was to put the tire up front, but I have the mount to put it down on the hitch.
Yeah.
That's I don't know what's in that box. Wow, all sorts of good things.
Yep.
Jesus, this thing is just amazing. So I've never had a diesel car before,
Oh, you haven't? Okay, pretty simple.
so I'm okay here to get home on probably. Is that?
Yeah, well, I don't know if you'll get all the way home. I mean, typically when you're full of DEF, you get about 1,000 miles, but when a truck is brand new, it might eat through it
Okay.
at first. If you get 600-700 miles, don't be surprised. But I can promise you this, it will start barking at you when it's time, and it starts at 500 miles.
500 miles.
Yeah, it's
And then
crazy.
480 miles. And, then
And you can get
450.
that anywhere,
Yeah.
gas station.
Yeah, so if you go to like truck stops, you can
Yeah.
actually fill it up from a dispenser.
Okay.
If you go to a normal place that has diesel, you can buy DEF, and I think they're like 1.8 gallon
Okay.
containers.
No brand worries. Or,
Not really. I mean, I think it's all the same thing. Some say it's like, you know, super clean DEF or whatever,
Okay.
but I mean, if they're producing DEF, it's going to work and you're fine. We're good to go. Yep.
What's
So,
that?
diesel exhaust fluid. So diesel exhaust fluid was something that somebody in the EPA came up with because they wanted to get rid of all that black smoke the diesels push out. So you'll also see on your readout, you're going to have a diesel exhaust filter, and that filter will show a percentage, and when it reaches about 90-95%, it will go through a cleaning process where it completely heats up, and then it gets cleaned, and then it's ready to go again. You don't have to stop, you don't have to do anything. It'll even clean when you're stationary. You don't have to worry about it going through the whole cleaning process. You can turn your truck off, turn it back on, it will go through the process.
Really?
Yep. So
this thing is amazing, you guys.
It is beautiful. I can't appreciate it because
It's going to be a little
You'll appreciate it when you
nerve-wracking
start
to
driving
drive
it.
because
Yeah.
I drive a little Honda Ridgeline.
Okay.
It's like my daily driver. It's-
Honestly, these drive small.
you do have onboard air on this truck.
yes. Remember
Yep, you have a coupler right here,
that. Okay.
and a coupler on the other side.
Okay. Good.
You have a 20-foot hose whip underneath your seat,
Okay.
and you have an air gauge underneath your seat. Very simple operation.
paying attention.
Compressor runs off of this.
And the camper's going to slide in there, right?
Good.
Dimensions are-
Camper's going to slide right in there.
I'm
No
looking
problem
at the
at all.
worst case scenario.
Well, here's what's really cool about your truck. I'm going to show you how you're going to load your camper right now. This is what you're going to love for sure. Left, control the ride quality of your suspension.
Okay.
Ride quality can be adjusted on the fly. Ride height can be adjusted on the fly, but generally speaking, you probably want to adjust it before you get rolling.
Okay.
Okay, so you're in the normal ride height right now.
Yeah.
Let's say you got your camper in your bed of your truck, right?
Yep.
And let's say it's time to dump your camper, right?
Yep.
So you put your jacks down and you lower your truck to the lowest ride height. So
Oh,
go
wow.
ahead and do that.
Well, so it's already.
And just push it down twice until you see it illuminate.
Oh, the right side.
Oh, right.
So left is comfort settings, right is height.
Yeah, I was just making sure you guys knew what you're talking about.
I like that. It's good to check on us.
All right, I did it twice.
So the rear of your truck is lowering right now, and the front will follow it.
Okay.
So you put your jacks down, right?
Yep.
And then you can lower your truck,
Yeah.
and you just drive right off from under it
That's amazing.
if you want to. The rear of your truck, and let's say you were going to actually trailer something, right? Like you're pulling a
Yeah.
bumper pull trailer or whatever.
Yeah.
You want to back up underneath it.
Yeah.
Well, as soon as this is done, you hit that button once now, and it will just drop the rear of your truck.
Oh, I see. Once they'll do the rear.
So now the rear is down, and you can back up
I do that
underneath
right?
that trailer, put your ball right where you need it,
Yeah.
and then you can raise your truck, and it will engage.
Wow.
So no more of that nonsense of, am I on it, am I on it, am I on it?
So
Right?
click it once to just lower the rear. Click it twice to lower the rear and the front.
Yep.
And then click it up to put it back to normal height just
Yep.
once.
Yep.
Okay. This thing's amazing.
Yeah, just absolutely incredible.
Heck yeah.
I'm so glad I waited
The wheels.
for the wheels and
Yeah.
tires. I'm just,
It makes it, honestly.
that was so close to pulling that.
Going with the stocks.
Yeah, it just not.
I think you'll be glad you did. Yeah.
It just changes the whole.
You made a very, very good decision with your host camper. This will be your experience, your journey, everywhere you go will be much more pleasurable. Yeah. Safer, and you'll get there.
And more comfortable.
way more comfortable.
And you'll look a hell of a lot better doing it now, too.
Yeah.
Especially with that decal-free
Yeah.
host. What is it, a Mammoth?
Mine's a Yukon.
Yukon?
There's
Okay.
3 Everest.
Yeah, Everest, Yukon, and Mammoth,
Yukon
yep.
are all different floor plans, and I
Yeah.
went back and forth with the Yukon and the Mammoth, but that's what we ended up with.
Mm-hmm.
To fit our needs the best.
Yeah.
Is Walter your mascot?
Walter is our HR department.
Please do all.
But yes, also the EOG mascot, too. That's Lulu's dog.
How old is he?
He is about... How old is he now, Lulu? 8? 5? 7?
Tell them the story about Walter. It's a great story.
So there was another girl that worked here, and on her way here, she found him walking the street. And then like Sergio tried taking him home, and Jeremy tried taking him home. And then one time they both had to go out of town, so I took him home. And then after that, he wouldn't go with anybody else.
Really?
Yeah. Like I have to trick him into going into Sergio's car.
So he hangs out here during the day?
That's basically what he does all day. In various locations.
Very happy.
Yeah.
But we found his owner.
Oh, you did?
Oh yeah. We did. Sergio's wife found him, and they said we could keep him.
Yep.
So we know his birthday. We know how old he is. Yeah.
This dog right here, like if Lulu moves, Walter wakes up.
Yeah, like I was just in the back. I'm working right here, so he's right there.
Walter knows exactly where Lulu is all the time.
Me out. That's funny. Yeah. And then he's got his special like walking time. So.
Yeah, that's
And there's a park down the street.
Very much appreciate it. Sorry, it's a pain in the ass sometimes asking questions over and over
Pleasure
again.
to meet you
Alex,
guys.
pleasure.
Bye.
Not
I
even
love it.
close.
It's beautiful.
Ask
It's
Rhonda.
way over my expectations. Everything about it. Just
Thank you.
I can't wait to get on the back of our
Love that.
camper. And first, our short trip's going to be 22 miles to the mountain and hang out.
Hey,
Is
there
your
you
logo
go.
on the truck anywhere?
Yeah.
No,
No, it's on the F-550 Fender. EOG.
it is on the fender badging. Yes.
Yeah.
EOG.
Okay.
Yep. I think.
You guys
That's
understate
it, right?
yourselves.
Yeah. On standard height trucks, we don't.
Those they put it on. They do that.
The big
badging
guys.
side.
Yeah.
If you want it.
Well, the center
like
caps,
that-
once they get them,
Yeah.
center caps are branded
do
too,
have
yeah.
EOG on it, yeah.
Thanks again, Alex.
it's been
Take
awesome.
care.
Okay, let us know. Hey.
Yeah, it was awesome. Love that.
Right on, man.
Much appreciated.
Hi, guys. Safe travels. All right, guys, thanks for tagging along. Another truck build and delivery with us. 2024 Limitless F-550 with our brand new 20-inch dually wheels. Keep an eye out for these. We got a lot of new trucks coming out with these new wheels. We offer them in polished or black. Contact us if you're interested in getting these for your truck. They are a game changer. As always, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell icon for notifications every time we upload a new video, and we will catch you on the next one.